coroner inquest to unravel the circumstances surrounding the death of a trader, Jumoke Oyeleke, has indicted the police in the extrajudicial shooting. The coroner, Mukaila Fadeyi, in his findings, declared that after weighing the various evidence gathered during the inquest, the only logical conclusion is that Ms. Oyeleke died from a weapon shot by an officer of the Nigerian police force. We have details in this report.
The magistrate also expressed displeasure at the conduct of the police officers, including its witness during the inquest, Tunde Adeniro, as well as the police legal team, who were said to all have shown disdain to the proceedings. Ms. Oyeleke was shot dead on July the 3rd, 2021, when the police attempted to disperse the Yoruba Nation rally at the Gani Fawemi Freedom Park in Ojota by firing guns and tear gas canisters into the air. The police, in their final address, denied any complicity in her death, saying the protest, which was peaceful at the onset, became violent shortly after the departure of the then Commissioner of Police, Hakeem Odumusu. The Lagos state government set up the inquest in August 2021 to investigate the circumstances surrounding the death and to provide recommendations to forestall a reoccurrence. The evidence of Chief Pathologist Sunday Shoyemi revealed that the deceased died from a rifle injury, which corroborated other testimonies indicating that it was the police, not any other security agent on ground at the time, and not the protesters who fired the shot. The magistrate also sympathized with the family of the deceased, saying the 25-year-old trader must have had lofty dreams which she hoped to achieve, but which weren't met due to the unfortunate circumstances of her death. State Counsel Seun Wakide appeared for the Lagos State government on Monday, but there was no legal representation for the police.
We must thank the Honorable Coroner. For example, many people have died in this country that nothing came out of it. But today, we can say categorically, we can hold someone responsible for the death of this young lady. We still want the authorities of the Nigerian police to fish out the officer that shot Jumoke Oyeleke.
As part of his recommendations, the senior magistrate urged the Lagos State government to engage with the federal government on the need to train and retrain all police officers, especially regarding the constitutional rights to hold peaceful protests within a democracy. The coroner also urged the Inspector General of Police to fish out all bad eggs within the force and punish them as a way to check indiscriminate shootings by police officers. Kemi Folade Emo, TVC News, Lagos.